G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. First piece, greens there, over here's another face, and another face on the bottom. Unfortunately with this you've got to sacrifice one to go for the other, so you'll end up having to have a think about that with that piece. This is nice blues and greens at the top here. Maybe might be able to get another little stone out of there if you grind that off. Basically that's it. And that piece. This piece has got a flash of red on this side. And in the middle here, don't know if it's picking it up, but I think this is the side you probably end up with. Just cut a stone out of the middle there. Lucky last but not least, purpley blues. It's been rough ground down there. You'll need a Dremel type tool to take some more of this off. End up with a couple of stones, one here, another one there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.